Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up the Hot Wheels 2020 Series 2, Season 2 Hot Wheels ID cars. In Season 2, the app shows 9 cars. This black Bone Shaker is an app exclusive that you can earn. It also shows the Bone Shaker that you can find in J cases. Finally, it shows this mystery machine. I'm not sure if this is new or if they're just releasing it again. I reached out to my friends at Mattel to get more details. As soon as I find out more info, I'll let you guys know. I'll pin it in the comments below. I also want to give a big shout out to Fred from One Stop Diecast for sending over these ID cars so quick. You can buy these from him. Check the link in the description below. So the first car is the Volkswagen Beetle. So this is from HW Speed Graphics, number 1 out of 4. So you can see it has a light blue, and then the Golf logo, then the orange, the ID rims, and the Golf logo right here, and then more orange on the top. And I like their idea of making this as a Golf car. I think it looks really nice. This tuned VW Beetle is really cool and was a super in the Heat Fleet series in 2012. So the next car is a McLaren Senna. So this is from Supercars number 1 out of 4. So that means there's 3 more Supercars to come from this set. So let's take a look at the car. First off, I really like the dark blue on this. This looks super nice with the dark blue. And the ID wheels make it look a lot better than the first one that they made. I wasn't a fan of the rims of the first one. You can see the dark blue wing, the backlights. This car is really nice. Then you can see front lights. And of course the ID chip on the back, or bottom. This car's only been made twice before, and it's really cool to see this car as an ID already. So next up is the Pagani Huayra. So you can see that it's white, and then it's part of Supercars number 2 out of 4. So now there's 2 more left from the Supercars set. So you can see the Supercar is white, then the blue stripe and the black. Blue stripe on the back, the teal base. This looks cool, the teal base, in my opinion. You can see the blue outlines for the ID rims. And they've also made this car one time before as an ID. You can see in a darker blue, and then the green, white, and red. This car was made by Junimai and was first made in 2013. In case you're wondering, the Bugatti Chiron ID will be part of the HW Turbo mix, not the Supercar mix. So the next car is a time shifter. Some Drift Domination, number 1 out of 4. So you can see this car is gray, then the gold rims, then the blue windows, and then on the top it says 27. And I like what they did on this car, the colors, with the blue, the gray, and then the purple. I think it all matches. This car was also made by Junimite and has been made only 3 times before. So next up is a custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Some HW Speed graphics, number 2 out of 4. So you can see the teal right here, then the dark blue. And this car is really nice. I would get a couple more of these, because you can see the white rims, then Falcon, dark blue, the teal blue. This is a really cool car. And the backlights. This looks really nice. This car has only been made twice, and they were both Golf versions. So the last car is a track ripper. It's from World Race, number 1 out of 4. So this car is light blue, then you can see all the white detailing around the whole car. And the purple rims, and then the orange base. I do like the light blue and the orange, but I'm not sure why there's purple rims. Maybe like orange or blue rims would be cool. And you can see it says number 88. And orange windows. This car was first made in 2018 and was only made a few times. My favorite car out of these 6 is easily the McLaren Senna. They did so much detailing on this car compared to the mainline versions. But I really do like this Ford Mustang because of the livery on it. The colors are just super cool on this car. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this Series 2 Season 2 Hot Wheels ID cars.